You might feel different and wonder why you have certain abilities that others don't. The reason for this is that you have unique spiritual gifts meant for a higher purpose. These gifts set you apart and give you a special connection to the world around you. They allow you to perceive things beyond the ordinary, to understand deeper truths, and to help others in ways that are truly remarkable. These gifts are not random. They are a part of who you are, designed to help you fulfill your destiny and make a positive impact in the world. Understanding your spiritual gifts is crucial. If you don't develop them, you might miss out on fulfilling your true potential and helping others. Ignoring these gifts can lead to feelings of confusion and frustration, as you might sense that something important is missing in your life. On the other hand, embracing and nurturing your spiritual abilities can lead to profound personal growth and a sense of fulfillment. It can also enable you to provide guidance and support to others, enhancing their lives as well. Recognizing and developing your spiritual gifts is a journey that can transform your life and the lives of those around you. The first step in discovering your spiritual gifts is to pay attention to what you feel naturally drawn to. These could be activities or interests where you feel most alive and connected. For example, you might have a knack for understanding people's emotions or a talent for healing. These are clues to your spiritual gifts. Reflect on the moments when you feel most at peace and in tune with the world. What are you doing during these times? What makes you feel passionate and fulfilled? These moments of clarity are windows into your spiritual abilities. Listening to your inner voice is also important. Your intuition can guide you toward recognizing your spiritual gifts. Trust the feelings and thoughts that arise when you think about your unique abilities. You might also receive signs from the universe, such as recurring dreams or synchronicities, that point you in the right direction. Pay attention to these signs, as they can provide valuable insights into your spiritual path. Talking to others who understand spirituality can also help. They might see qualities in you that you haven't noticed. Discussing your experiences and feelings with like-minded individuals can provide new perspectives and help you identify your gifts. Sometimes others can see the light in us more clearly than we can see it ourselves. Your spiritual gifts are not just for you. They are meant to serve a greater purpose. Understanding why you have these abilities can help you see how you can use them to benefit others. These gifts are tools that can help you make a positive impact on the world. They can guide you in your personal growth and spiritual journey, helping you to become the best version of yourself. Each gift you possess has a specific role in the grand scheme of things. For instance, if you have the gift of empathy, you can use it to understand and support those who are struggling. If you have the gift of healing, you can help others find physical and emotional well-being. Recognizing the purpose of your gifts allows you to align them with your life's mission, creating a sense of harmony and direction. Embracing your gifts also involves accepting the responsibility that comes with them. These abilities are a privilege, and using them wisely can lead to great things. It means being aware of the impact you have on others and striving to use your gifts in ways that uplift and inspire. By doing so, you not only enhance your own life, but also contribute to the well-being of those around you. Like any skill, spiritual gifts need to be developed through practice. Spend time each day focusing on your abilities, whether it's meditation, healing, or intuition. Regular practice helps you to refine and strengthen your gifts, making them more effective and reliable. It's important to create a routine that includes activities that nurture your spiritual abilities. This could be anything from meditation and mindfulness exercises to journaling and energy work. Meditation is particularly beneficial for developing spiritual gifts. It helps you to connect with your inner self and the higher realms, providing clarity and insight. Through meditation, you can receive guidance and messages that enhance your understanding of your gifts. It also helps you to stay grounded and centered, which is essential for using your abilities effectively. Practicing your gifts also involves experimenting with different techniques and approaches. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. Whether it's using crystals for healing, practicing Reiki, or honing your intuitive skills, the key is to stay open and flexible. Each practice session is an opportunity to learn and grow, bringing you closer to mastering your spiritual gifts. Seek feedback and guidance from others who are experienced in the same areas. They can provide valuable insights and tips on how to improve your abilities. Joining spiritual groups or communities can also offer support and encouragement as you develop your gifts. Remember, the journey of developing your spiritual abilities is ongoing and requires patience and dedication. Finding a mentor who understands your gifts can be incredibly helpful. They can provide guidance, support, and wisdom as you develop your abilities. A mentor can help you navigate the challenges you might face and offer valuable insights from their own experiences. They can also introduce you to practices and techniques that you might not have discovered on your own. To find a mentor, look for someone whose path resonates with yours and who has the qualities and skills you admire. This person could be a spiritual teacher, a healer, or someone in your community who is respected for their spiritual wisdom. Building a relationship with a mentor requires openness and a willingness to learn. Be patient and allow the connection to develop naturally. Mentorship is a two-way street. It involves both giving and receiving. Be open to sharing your own experiences and insights with your mentor. This mutual exchange can deepen your understanding and strengthen your abilities. Remember, a good mentor will not only guide you, but also encourage you to trust your intuition and inner wisdom. It's normal to have doubts and fears about your spiritual gifts. Remember that these abilities are a part of who you are, and embracing them can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Doubts and fears can stem from past experiences or societal conditioning that makes you question your worth and capabilities. Acknowledge these feelings without letting them control you. One effective way to overcome doubts is to practice self-affirmation. Remind yourself daily of your strengths and the value of your gifts. Affirmations can help shift your mindset and build confidence. For example, you can say, "I am worthy of my spiritual gifts," or "I trust in my abilities to help others." Surrounding yourself with supportive people who believe in you can also make a big difference. Their encouragement and positivity can help counteract any self-doubt you might feel. Engaging in regular spiritual practices like meditation, prayer, or journaling can help you stay connected to your higher self and strengthen your faith in your abilities. Connecting with others who have similar gifts can provide a sense of belonging and support. Join groups or communities where you can share your experiences and learn from others. These connections can offer validation and a sense of camaraderie, reminding you that you are not alone on your spiritual journey. Spiritual communities can take many forms, such as local meetups, online forums, or workshops. Being part of such a community allows you to exchange ideas, gain new perspectives, and receive constructive feedback. It also provides opportunities for collaboration and mutual support. When connecting with like-minded souls, be open to learning from each other. Everyone's spiritual journey is unique, and there is always something new to discover. Sharing your experiences and listening to others can enrich your understanding and help you grow. Your spiritual gifts are meant to make a positive impact on the world. Find ways to use your abilities to help others, whether through healing, guidance, or simply being a source of light and positivity. Helping others can bring a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose, reinforcing the importance of your gifts. Start by looking for opportunities to offer your gifts in everyday situations. This could be something as simple as providing a listening ear, offering words of encouragement, or using your intuitive insights to help someone gain clarity. You might also consider volunteering your time and skills in organizations or communities that align with your spiritual values. Using your gifts to help others doesn't have to be grand or elaborate. Even small acts of kindness and support can have a significant impact. The key is to stay true to your intentions and let your actions come from a place of love and compassion. Embrace your spiritual gifts and see them as a part of your unique journey. By developing and using these abilities, you can make a meaningful difference in your life and the lives of others. Your spiritual gifts are a blessing, and using them wisely can lead to profound personal and collective growth. Remember that this journey is ongoing and requires patience and dedication. There will be challenges and obstacles along the way, but each one is an opportunity for growth and learning. Stay committed to your path and trust in the process. Surround yourself with positive influences and continue to seek knowledge and understanding. Your spiritual journey is deeply personal, but it is also interconnected with the lives of others. By embracing your gifts, you contribute to a greater collective awakening and transformation. Embrace your spiritual gifts and see them as a part of your unique journey. By developing and using these abilities, you can make a meaningful difference in your life and the lives of others. Understanding your gifts is the first step, and nurturing them through practice, guidance, and community can lead to profound personal growth. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. Seek out mentors and like-minded souls who can support and inspire you. Overcome your doubts and fears by affirming your worth and staying connected to your higher self. Use your gifts to help others and make a positive impact on the world. This journey requires patience, dedication, and an open heart. Trust that your gifts are a blessing and that you have a unique role to play in the greater tapestry of life. Embrace your path and know that by doing so, you are contributing to a brighter, more enlightened world. If this resonates with you, leave a comment and share your experiences. Subscribe for more insights on spirituality and personal growth. Your journey is important and your light is needed in the world. Remember, you are a masterpiece in progress, which means you are complete, but you can still heal and become more. Peace and light to you.